Have you ever been criticized? Have you ever been looked upon? Have you ever have seen have gone through the problem where people don't value you? Have you ever felt the pain when people criticize you? If you have felt, then welcome to the tribe, because I've also felt the same thing. And guess what? That was not something that good that you want to talk about. But I really want to discuss about this one particular thing of criticism. The reason being is that when I was doing a study on persuasion and influencing people, I realized this one thing, that people want, to persuade in a negative way, criticizing people, because they want to show that I am right and you are wrong. And because I am right, and that is the reason why you should be listening to me. This happens often, and sometimes not everybody can actually, take this in a positive way, take this in a positive note, because of which they feel low and their self-esteem drops down. It happens for most of us. You know why? Because criticism is painful. It hits the most important, the most dear thing that we have, and that is our pride. Anything that hits your pride is actually pinches your heart. Right? We all say, it pinched my heart. It just went through my heart. It's because it touched us in a negative way, and we really don't want to have that. But we face this often on our day, sometimes in our friends, family, in the workplace. But why? But do you even do that? I mean, if you are in a position where you criticize people, do you think it's going to really work out well? I was doing a survey, I was doing a research, and I really want to, show this to you. So what happens is, from the last couple of years, few years, and even decades also, people are training animals, right? For various reasons, people are training animals. They have noticed this one thing, that in the learning curve, in the training period, if you appreciate the animal for what they have done, if you appreciate the animal for completing a task or doing anything successfully, in that point of time, the learning curve is increased and the animal learns in a shorter period of time. And when it doesn't happen, people punish, the animal, or people criticize the animal in an indirect way. At that point of time, the learning curve is low, and it takes a long period of time for the animal to learn the same thing, which the animal could have learned if it would have gone through a positive experience with a good feedback. Same things happen with human beings as well. If you are a person that you have been appreciated to do something, complete something, or even understand that, then your learning has gone up, because now you value the person, now you value the feedback. However, at the same time, sometimes people criticize you for the work that you have done, and that actually lowers your performance, because it's not actually lowering you. It's not actually people not getting or taking this in a positive way. It's actually lowering the self-esteem. And when people's self-esteem are being hit, when people's pride are being hit, at that point of time, how can you expect for the person to perform better? It never happens. That's why instead of criticism, make sure that you appreciate people. And if you can't criticize, it's your time, it's your chance to be a leader and sit with the person to realize what was the problem, what are the indications because of which he or she was not able to perform at that level. This is something that I really want to spread among people. I have worked in different edtech organizations, and I have worked under different managers, and I felt this. I'm sure that you somewhere along the line in the past have also gone through the same thing. Anyone who understands us better, anyone who can connect to us better, is going to create a much, much bigger impact compared to those who just feel like they are right and their commands needs to be followed, even if it doesn't resonate. We humans like to connect with each other, and until and unless we are resonating, ladies and gentlemen, we won't be able to perform to optimum level, even though we have the skill, because our willingness will come in the way, and it's going to be a really big roadblock. I hope that you like these kind of contents and I'm able to help you understand, because the only reason that you want to listen or you want to watch my video is to realize information and content is something that's available for free, even on a click. You come to my video so that I can help you realize, and I feel as a speaker and as a trainer, this is the basic thing and the most important thing that I need to be doing to impacting, to touch, right? So if this video was really helpful for you, to make sure that you follow me or subscribe me, and I will keep coming with some amazing videos, right? Thank you so much for staying here.